Auzubillahiminashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are making carrot halwa. It is very easy recipe, very yummy recipe. Inshallah you will like it. Before starting the video, I request you to please like, share and subscribe to the channel and also share it with your friends. So let's show you how we made this carrot halwa. I hope you will like it. First of all, we will add 1 kg carrots shredded into a frying pan and we'll cover them and cook for 2 minutes with steam. Now we'll remove the cover. Now we will add half cup sugar or as required into the. We'll fry the sugar till it starts melting and leaves the water. Now we'll add 200 gram butter. We'll let it melt. Now we will add 1 teaspoon cardamom powder and mix it well. After adding the 1 teaspoon cardamom powder, now we will add 100 gram crushed almonds and we'll mix it well. Then we'll close the stove and add 200 gram khoya, which is also known as mawa, and we'll let the remaining for the garnish. And now we'll cover it for 2 minutes. We don't have to turn on the stove, otherwise the khoya's color will turn black. Now we'll remove the lid and you can see our recipe is ready. We'll mix it well. Then we will dish it out. We have to leave the almonds also some for garnish. Now we'll put this into a dish. Then we will add some khoya for garnish. After that we will be adding some crushed almonds for garnish again. Now our recipe is ready. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. If you like our recipe, then please like, share and subscribe to the channel and also share it with your friends. Inshallah we will meet with you with another recipe. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.